So to say that the Spring statement was a bit light on tax is probably an understatement. The Chancellor barely mentioned tax in his speech. However, when we looked at a little bit of the detail later on, mainly on the Treasury website, we did see some relatively important things. Perhaps the most important thing is the draft legislation on the structure and buildings allowance, which was announced in the budget last year. There's some very useful clarifications on what this important allowance actually includes in there. There's also confirmation there's going to be a review of the aggregates levy, a tax on raw materials which are quarried out of the ground, and that's the first time there's been a review of that tax in 17 years. But even more interesting to tax people is the announcement there's going to be an enormous number of consultations, calls for evidence, reports and draft regulations on a whole range of very diverse and different tax stuff over the next few months, varied from hybrid mismatches to VAT in the Isle of Man. So plenty for us tax geeks to get our teeth into over the coming months.